In the world of expensive laptops, finding a powerful gaming machine under $500 might seem impossible, but fear not, gamers. We've bring you the top best gaming laptops that won't break the bank. These machines, though budget-friendly, pack a punch, offering impressive performance and immersive gaming experiences. From sleek designs to powerful processors and stunning displays, these laptops are ready to take your gaming adventures to new heights. So, whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive enthusiast, these top picks are sure to satisfy your gaming cravings. Remember, all the links to these amazing laptops are in the description below. Let's dive into the world of affordable gaming and explore these incredible machines. Number 5. On number 5, we have ASUS Vivobook Go 15. It's a sleek and affordable laptop designed for everyday computing needs. With its stylish design, powerful performance, and vibrant display, it offers an excellent value proposition for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its stunning OLED display. You can enjoy vivid colors and deep blacks with the stunning OLED display. Number 2, it has powerful performance technology. It is equipped with the latest AMD Ryzen processors and ample RAM. It handles multitasking and demanding tasks with ease. Number 3, it is compact and lightweight laptop. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. Number 4, it also has long battery life. You can enjoy extended usage without worrying about frequent charging. Final verdict: the ASUS Vivobook Go 15 is a fantastic choice for those seeking a budget-friendly laptop that doesn't compromise on performance or style. Its impressive OLED display, powerful hardware, and long battery life make it a compelling option for everyday computing tasks. Number 4. On number 4, we have Dell Inspiron 15. It's a versatile laptop designed to cater to a wide range of users, from students and professionals to casual gamers and content creators. It strikes a balance between performance, affordability, and portability, making it an excellent choice for everyday computing tasks. Now talk about its key features. Number 1 key feature is its powerful performance system. It is equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors and ample RAM. The Inspiron 15 delivers smooth multitasking and responsive performance, whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or running productivity software. Number 2, it has beautiful Full HD display. Its vibrant Full HD display offers stunning visuals for games and creative work. The narrow bezels provide a more beautiful viewing experience. Number 3, with a variety of storage options, including SSDs and HDDs, you can store all your important files, documents, and media without worrying about running out of space. Number 4, it also has long battery life. Its efficient battery allows you to work or play for extended periods without needing to recharge, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Number 5, it has beautiful stylish design. The sleek and modern design of the Inspiron 15 makes it both functional and stylish. The comfortable keyboard and touchpad enhance your typing experience. Final verdict: the Dell Inspiron 15 is a well-rounded laptop that offers excellent value for money. It's a reliable and versatile machine that can handle a wide range of tasks, making it a great choice for users who need a dependable and affordable laptop for work, study, or gaming. Number 3. On number 3, we have Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i. It is also a versatile 2-in-1 laptop that seamlessly transitions from a powerful laptop to a convenient tablet. Designed for both work and play, this sleek and portable device offers a compelling blend of performance, style, and functionality. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1. It has 360-degree flip and fold design. The Flex 5i's flexible hinge allows you to effortlessly switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, adapting to your needs and preferences. Number 2, it has vibrant display. You can enjoy stunning visuals on the 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display, delivering crisp details and vibrant colors. Number 3, It has powerful performance system. It is equipped with the latest Intel Core processors and ample RAM. The Flex 5i handles demanding tasks with ease, whether you're multitasking, streaming media, or editing photos and videos, playing high-quality video games. Number 4. It has long-lasting battery. You can enjoy extended productivity on the go with the Flex 5i's long-lasting battery, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Number 5. It also has enhanced security. You protect your sensitive data with advanced security features, like fingerprint readers and optional privacy shutters for the webcam. Final verdict: the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i is an excellent choice for users seeking a versatile and powerful 2-in-1 laptop. Its flexible design, impressive performance, and long battery life make it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from work and study to gaming. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants a reliable and stylish device, the Flex 5i is worth considering. Number 2. On number 2, we have HP Pavilion X36014. It's a versatile 2-in-1 laptop that seamlessly transitions between laptop, tablet, stand, and tent modes, catering to your diverse computing needs. Designed with a sleek and modern aesthetic, this device boasts a 14-inch display, powerful performance, and long-lasting battery life, making it an ideal choice for students, professionals, and creative individuals alike. Now talk about its notable key features. Number 1 key feature is its 360-degree hinge. The flexible hinge allows you to effortlessly switch between laptop, tablet, stand, and tent modes, optimizing your workflow for various tasks. Number 2. It has vibrant display. The 14-inch display delivers vivid colors and sharp details, enhancing your visual experience for both work and entertainment. Number 3. It is equipped with the latest Intel Core processors and ample RAM. The HP Pavilion X36014 handles demanding tasks with ease, from multitasking to content creation. Number 4. It also has long battery life. You can enjoy extended productivity on the go with the long-lasting battery, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Number 5. It also has fast charging technology. You can quickly recharge your device with HP Fast Charge technology, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Number 6. It has secure login system. Its integrated fingerprint reader provides quick and secure access to your device, safeguarding your data. Final verdict: the HP Pavilion X36014 is a well-rounded 2-in-1 laptop that offers impressive performance, a versatile design, and a premium user experience. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative individual, this device has the power and flexibility to meet your needs. Its sleek design, vibrant display, and long battery life make it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish laptop. Now talk about number 1. Finally, on number 1, we have Acer Aspire 3. It's a reliable and affordable laptop designed for everyday computing tasks. It's a great choice for students, professionals, and home users who need a dependable device without breaking the bank. This laptop offers a balance of performance, portability, and battery life, making it suitable for various needs. Now talk about its notable key features. Number 1 key feature is its Intel Core processors. It is powered by the latest Intel Core processors, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance for everyday tasks. Number 2. It has beautiful Full HD display. A vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD display with wide viewing angles, delivering crisp visuals for work and entertainment. Number 3. It also has ample storage options, including SSDs for fast boot times and quick file access. Number 4. It has sufficient RAM to handle multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously. Number 5. It also has long-lasting battery life, allowing you to work or study for extended periods without needing a charger. Number 6. It has sleek and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around. Number 7. This laptop is pre-installed with Windows 11, offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of applications. Final verdict: the Acer Aspire 3 is an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly laptop that can handle everyday tasks with ease. Its combination of performance, portability, and affordability makes it a strong contender in the market. While it may not be the most powerful laptop, It offers solid performance for most users. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable laptop, the Acer Aspire 3 is definitely worth considering. And there you have it, gamers! The top best gaming laptops. Under $500, these machines prove that. You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy high-quality gaming experiences. We hope this video helps you find the perfect gaming laptop to suit your needs. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, all the links of these laptops are in the description, so check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and similar content.